Hi, everybody. I'm Dave Woodman here with Dr. Keith Currie. Dr. Currie has a free report, and I emphasize free, that he's going to send you about getting severe neck and back pain relief without surgery. It's a $19.97 value, and Dr. Currie is going to send it to you for free. Call the toll-free 24-hour recorded message to claim your copy. You can do it. Well, Dr. Currie, I know you specialize in non-invasive. I love that expression. That means no surgery. Non-invasive treatments of people who have chronic neck and low back pain, neuropathy, and things like that. Just pain. I mean, that nerve-caused pain. And you even treated people who have had failed neck and back surgery. When they've come to you, they've tried everything else, no relief. How does that make you feel?
It's awesome, Dave. It's awesome.
It is.
I mean, I still, I've been doing this now for a lot of years, and patients come from all over, and then the one thing that's common with all of them is that they're all in really poor health beyond just nerve pain and everything else, and
maybe a little overweight.
Yeah, and Dave, I still get goosebumps. Like when a patient tells me that they're getting better and that they just can't believe it, it still gives me goosebumps. I love it.
Okay, some of the things that you treat now: sciatica, spinal stenosis. Explain what these things are.
Well, all of those different things put pressure on nerves, and so what we do is we do the non-surgical disc hydration. We do our deep tissue laser treatments that reduce the inflammation and swelling of the nerves, and for a lot of patients, it works pretty quick, and it's special because most of these people have been there, done that, tried a gazillion different things, and just really, really frustrated, probably somewhat skeptical, and it's fun for me to turn a skeptic. I don't mind.
Well, one of the things that we've never truly talked about was that spinal column. It's very delicate, but every nerve in your body. And if that thing gets a little bit out of alignment, if those discs start messing around, you got problems. You got pain.
Sir.
You got nerve damage.
Absolutely, you nailed it. I mean, it is. I say water flows downhill. And nerves kind of are the same. You got your neck, and so if someone has fibromyalgia, for example, and they have pressure on that brainstem, that can cause them to not get good sleep. That can cause them to have random pains from the neck down. And so it makes sense when you really, really think about it.
We've got a couple of your happy patients here with us today. We've got Cindy, we've got Karmen. Now tell me about Cindy. She came to you some time ago, got relief, then old Karmen starts having problems, and guess what?
Yes, sir. They actually showed up at the clinic this week, 3 days ago, actually. And Cindy told me about her experiences in my clinic 10 years ago and the relief that it had given her. And then she said, my husband really needs help, and we have confidence that you could try to help him the same way that you did me. And I'm very blessed now. I've treated many different families through the years. You get a mom or a daughter or a son or a grandma, and when people have confidence in you and they see what you did for them, then they have that same confidence that you're going to be able to do that for their friend or family member. Well,
Cindy, Dr. Currie mentioned that you came in 10 years ago. Yes. How long did it take before you began to get some relief after he started treating you?
It only took me about halfway through my treatments, and I started feeling relief. But I think something important that everyone should know is to finish your treatments, because even after you get through with your treatments, you're going to still have relief, and you'll have an improvement in your lifestyle.
How did you feel after your very first treatment?
The next morning, I got out of bed and I could walk.
You mean an immediate difference? You could tell immediately?
I did not have no pain in my feet. I didn't have no pain in my legs. I didn't have no pain in my back. But I wore this brace. I've been wearing this brace ever since he gave it to me.
It's a good idea.
So, but the only thing about I won't say this, the only thing about the machines, they will make you snore.
I love that. We never heard that before in a testimonial.
That's awesome.
There are skeptics out there who say, it just couldn't be as good as. But why would people keep coming in and giving these wonderful testimonials if they weren't getting good results? What would you tell the skeptics?
I went to him the first time I was in there. I'd done my first treatment. The next morning, I got up and I was tickled to death. I could walk. I didn't have to have no trouble. I've been walking ever since. I ain't had no trouble. My back hurt, nothing hurting, nothing.
Remember to call the toll-free number to get your free report.